Curtain up the performer, ready for the camera's aim. Float light like a feather on the path to fame. The same fate, ready for another in line. Next please, and we're getting the production time refined.
Beim Primavera Sound mitzumachen fühlt sich sehr gut an. Gute Musik im Hintergrund beim Malen.
Give a recognition or affection, election to give them a vote to get attention. Forget the talent to stay.
I always try with my art to make the people laugh first, but then react, maybe think about my work.
Make a fortune, take a call. Ain't too late to break a fall. Writing's on the wall.
My work is kind of purely aesthetic, so I want people to kind of look at it and make their own interpretation and kind of get lost.
I'm praying for the call.
My work is all about colors. It's great to have them colors respond to one another. Maybe the fact that Barcelona is super sunny helps with bringing these colors to life.
Pues normalmente, hago bastantes personajes populares a ocupar. La que más me inspira, me gusta mucho que mire mucho el espectador normalmente.
It's an experiment and I really love painting in black and white, so you don't have to be shiny to be interesting.
Yeah, the message is that the music can unify people and make them together in peace.